As a very general guideline, it is recommended that the bottom of the pit should be at least above groundwater level. A 0.5 m, B 2 m, C 12 m, D 20 m. The correct answer is 2 m. As of 2013, pit latrines are used by an estimated people. A 1.77 billion, B 2.77 million, C 1.77 billion, D 4.66 billion. The correct answer is 1.77 billion. The pit is typically at least deep and across. A 14 meters 10 m, B 30 meters 15 m, C 3 meters 1 m, D 11 meters 9 m. The correct answer is 3 meters 1 m. Septic tank is usually consists of brick wall in cement not less than A 20 centimeters, B 100 centimeters, C 80 centimeters, D 200 centimeters. The correct answer is 20 centimeters. Soak pit shall not be less than A 45 centimeters, B 90 centimeters, C 50 centimeters, D 100 centimeters. The correct answer is 90 centimeters. The size of the faeces drop hole in the floor or slab should not be larger than A 5 m, B 25 centimeters, C 45 centimeters, D 250 millimeters. The correct answer is 25 centimeters. Connecting pipe should be minimum diameter. A 60, B 300, C 700, D 100. The correct answer is 60. The term septic refers to A. anaerobic bacterial environment that develops in the tank. B. refers to safety and precaution. C. drainage of waste materials. D. aerobic bacterial environment that develops in the tank. The correct answer is anaerobic bacterial environment that develops in the tank. A is a chamber made of concrete, fiberglass, PVC or plastic through which domestic wastewater sewage flows for primary treatment. A. drainage tank. B. pit latrine tank. C. harvesting water tank. D. septic tank. The correct answer is septic tank. A is a type of toilet that collects human faeces in a hole in the ground. A. gutter. B. septic tank. C. pit toilet. D. latrine. The correct answer is pit toilet. A house is the squatting pan or toilet seat and provides privacy and protection from the weather for the user. A. roof. B. terrace. C. shade. D. shelter. The correct answer is shelter. Figure shown below represents a symbol. A. it signifies A. septic tank, B. soak pit, C. gutter, D. water storing tank. The correct answer is septic tank.